Meaning of generative.
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 Generative. Generative refers to the ability to create or produce something, often in a creative way. In the realm of artificial intelligence and machine learning, generative algorithms are capable of generating new and original content based on the patterns and data they have been trained on. This can include anything from text and images to music and video. The results produced by generative algorithms may be imperfect or unexpected, but they can also be innovative and inspiring, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible for machines to create.